In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ramp up a speed or motion of any video, or how to make a beautiful, smooth, slow motion using Movavi. Movavi is a software which is extremely user-friendly for beginners. So without any further ado, let's head over my computer and see how to ramp up or make a slow motion out of any video clip. Let's go. Hello friends, so I am on my Movavi dashboard. I have already taken one video. It's very easy. You just need to go to the file import, add files, and you will get access of all your drives. So wherever you have your respective video, you just need to click on that video and just need to drag it or just click and open. That's all. So once you open it, it will come in the media bin segment. So I'll just drag and drop it in my timeline, and this is my normal video. I'll just show you. This video does not have any sound. So this is my normal video, and now I'm going to show you how I will increase the speed of this video. So I need to cut it into few segments. So I will make a slit here. So what I'll do it, first I'll select this part. As soon as I select the video part, it will become yellow. It will have a yellow border around it. So there are two options how you can cut one video, from either from the small scissor or split option from here. Otherwise, you just, I'll make it another, I'll give another slit to this. I will right click on this part and then split. That's all. These are the two options how you can split one video. This is a normal video speed. So I will make this part speed up. How do I do that? There are three options how I can do. First, get the part selected, then go to this three dots, clip properties option. Okay, here you get speed option. Here you make it any speed. I will make it 250. Right, as soon as you make it 250, it will be, you will see the difference. I'll just show you. This is the normal speed of this video, and boom. So if you want even more distinguishable speed up, then you make it 450. There is no problem, right? So if I make it 450, you just see how it looks. Right, now I will make this part even more slower. I will make it maybe 50%, so that even it is more vibrant. You can even see the difference of speed or motion. So same way, this is 450 speed, and then this is 50 speed only. So this is how you can do. Now once you are done, if you don't like any particular speed, there are two options how you can get back. Definitely you can make it 100 straight away and you will get the normal speed. Otherwise you'll get this tiny dot, tiny star over here in one corner of this top left hand side corner of this video, and you will get all the effects which you have implied in this video. There are many other effects. If you want to know about those effects, you can go and explore to the top right hand side corner of this video in the I info button, where I have already given another playlist of Movavi, where there are other videos in which I have shown you other aspects and other effects which you can do out of Movavi software. So you can go and explore it after watching this video, but this is the option. You click on this, you get this, and just cross it, and you're in the normal position. So this is one option how you can speed up your video. You'll be getting such tutorials and tips and tricks on video editing by Movavi in the top right hand side corner of this video as well in the I button. So once you finish watching this tutorial, must go and explore my complete Movavi playlist, where I'll be getting each and every small bit of information which can help you to modify or to edit your videos like a pro. So with that being said, let's head over to my next part of this video. I'll be back soon. Okay, there is another option to slow down your video. This part we were giving a slow motion. You just go to these 4 sections. From there, video editing, you go to this arrow, and here you get slow motion option directly. From this slow motion option, you can also change it to 50 or 25, whatever you want. It will give the same appeal. Okay. So it is slower than the previous one, right? So this is how you can do it. Again, I'll get it back to 100 and it is in the normal position. And another way how you can do, you can speed up your any video or audio's pace or ramp up any video is by double clicking on it. You get the same clip properties open, and here again you can simply make it 500 and you get the same effect. Right? So these are the 3-4 options by which you can change the motion, or you can ramp up or speed up a motion of a video, as well as give a slow, smooth cinematic motion to any video clip. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If this tutorial was enough value adding, and if you have enjoyed my tutorial, then please do give me your valuable subscription and press the bell button next to it so that you keep getting notification whenever I upload my next videos. If you enjoyed my video and tutorial, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, because that gives me enough motivation to carry forward with my work. Thank you so very much for staying here with me today. Don't forget to explore my Movavi playlist at the end of this video, which will help you as a beginner edit your daily videos or edit videos for your clients like a pro. That's my guarantee. With that being said, thank you so very much. This is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll come back with some fun video next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.